It is early. It's like 5 a.m. We went to bed at like 2 a.m.
Yeah, can I please get the sausage, egg, and cheese McGriddle?
How many?
Just one.
Okay, what else?
I think that's it.
I think that's everything.
Hey guys,
Hello.
welcome back to our channel. Today we are hiking.
Surprise.
Surprise! No, we actually do outdoorsy things every once in a while.
Once a year.
Once a year.
Make
And
it
almost
exciting.
always hungover, so. We're hiking at Rocky Mountain National Park though, so super excited. It's supposed to be like a really long, hard hike, so we'll see how this goes. We might not be so cheerful in a couple hours, but
You'll see.
you'll see.
Wrong, Kevin.
Nice.
Hitch crack. That's a hitch crack.
It's crack.
I thought it said hitch crack. Man, hitch crack. It's like a plumber's crack, but.
Look how pretty this is. Look at those views in the mountains.
See you at the top.
At the top.
Spooshy splashy, spooshy splash, spoosh splash, spoosh splash, spoosh splash, spooshy splash.
I'm dying.
Do the call.
So we made it to the top and we're pretty much almost all the way back down. We couldn't show you guys too much at the top because it was so windy.
I took recordings, so we'll show.
Yeah. It was so windy. honestly, like the way down feels a lot longer than the way up, which I feel like is reverse of how it usually is when you hike.
Yeah, it's because we had a lot of good sights, so there's a lot of stopping
Yeah, it was really
points,
cool.
it was
This hike
broken
was
up.
like awesome.
Yeah.
It's super fun. We got to like climb a waterfall. That was dope. But yeah, so we're on our way down. We should be almost there, I think. Feels like we've been walking for forever. We're so tired. But then we're gonna go get our favorite wings at our favorite chicken wing place, higher in the mountain. So, see y'all in a little bit.
My hips, my old aching hips. Get like a fire in the mountain apparel. Show my support. Yeah.
That looks sauce on her face.
Yeah, what's that white stuff, dude?
It is the next day. We were so tired last night when we got home, and clearly so tired today as per my face and these under eye circles.
So tired that you woke up past 2 p.m.
Yeah, I didn't wake up till like,
Sleeping
2
before
o'clock.
1 a.m.
I know, I
So
slept
that's
a long
13
time.
hours at
I mean, you
least.
slept until like 1 o'clock.
Almost 1. It was
Almost.
12 something.
Okay, that was close enough. Close enough. But yeah, so we just went and got dinner last night and then came home and to like just crash basically. Sorry, mind your way. But today we're just kind of having a nice, relaxing, chill day. I think I'm gonna take a bath later tonight. But we're just running to the grocery store right now because John's gonna cook dinner tonight.
Oh my god.
Because I'm
Boil
so
some
tired.
pasta,
Yeah.
put some pre-made pesto sauce. But the shrimp hopefully will turn out good. So.
I'm excited. John's a good cook. Surprisingly, I don't know if you guys know that.
Surprise.
I just mean like you don't cook very often, but like the stuff you make is like usually like kind of fancy.
Lazy.
Yeah, it's okay. Cooking takes a lot of work, so
Yeah, it's annoying.
yeah. But it's actually like it's cold today. Like yesterday was like I don't know, like 80s still. It's been like in the 80s like for a week and a half now.
Yeah.
But today it's like actually cold, and I'm feeling all the cozy fall vibes.
And it's like, it's cold today. I'm like, how cold can it be? And I step outside, I'm
In a
like, wow,
t-shirt.
it's pretty cold. How cold is
John
it today?
regrets.
It's not that bad. I'm in the car, then I'll be in the grocery
Yeah,
store.
you have a
Big
car up
deal.
here.
Yeah. I'll be turning.
Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go grab some groceries. I think this is gonna be it for this vlog. Yeah.
Do you wanna?
Maybe I'll-
Do you wanna talk about the hike later or something?
Oh, we can talk
'Cause
about the hike now. Yeah, we didn't really talk about.
it.
It was super fun.
I mean, I
um,
still feel awkward just chatting to a camera when there's a ton of people. Like that whole self-importance kind of thing.
Yeah, sure.
Feels cringy.
But the hike yesterday was really fun. It was
Yesterday. Yeah, or pretending to be today.
yesterday.
You said today.
Did I say today?
I think we can rewatch it.
We'll see who's right.
We'll see who's right. God, I swear to God.
I swear I said yesterday, but we'll see. Well, the hike yesterday was really fun. It ended up being like 11 miles round trip.
Yeah.
And like most of the hike was not super like difficult. It was just like the end where you have to like climb up the waterfall to get to Sky Pond.
Yeah. But there's like an intense staircase part.
Oh
too.
yeah, there were some pretty big stairs. But like compared to some of the other hikes we've done that have been like
All of it.
really uphill like the whole time.
Well, this one's the longest one we've been on.
Yeah, for sure.
Because we kept thinking it would be like 9.
Yeah.
So then we were like, is this halfway? Is this halfway? Is this halfway?
I'm pretty sure we got to
on the
Lock
way.
Lake yesterday and we're like, oh, we're like 3/4 of the way. We were not. We were like
It
halfway.
was like a third. It was less than half for sure. God, we're like, is this halfway now? We're 2.2 more miles. Oh my God, now we're at half.
But the funny thing is like the hike there, like to the pond, did not feel that long. But the hike back took forever.
But we took a lot of stops to record like the stuff and just to take in the
sights.
The
it
sights.
was beautiful.
And then once we get to the top, we got wind blown at us.
Oh
and
my
sand
God.
and water.
I legit almost got knocked over by the wind.
We were like, okay, well, we were planning on getting Fire on the Mountain chicken wings the whole day after. So we were just like, hey, let's run back. And we're so excited.
Gotta get
and
the
it
wings.
just took freaking forever.
Yeah,
But,
Kevin kept singing about the chicken wings.
It raised the morale.
Raised the morale.
It was a good raised morale.
Yeah. Yeah, the hike was like amazing. Highly recommend if you are in the Colorado area or you come visit. I really don't think I was like worried that I wasn't gonna be able to do it because like I'm not like in the best shape. Like I'm decently good shape, but I'm not like an avid hiker. But I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to make the hike yesterday because like one, the elevation gain's pretty decent, and I don't feel like we're completely acclimated yet.
I'm not really worried about that. We did a harder one before.
True.
For
But I was just worried it was gonna be like way too hard. But it was like pretty moderate.
Yeah, maybe at the high end of it.
It's just the
'cause
end.
It's long.
Yeah, but once you get past like the rock scramble, like or the climbing of like the waterfall, like that's the hardest part. Everything else is like really easy. So
The hard part was the return.
yeah, it just was really long. Forever. But okay, so we're gonna go get some groceries. But yeah, thanks. Excuse me.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. I hope this was interesting. Please like and subscribe if you want to, because it really helps us out to follow along with our journey. But yeah, bye. You didn't do the bye.
Bye.
What did you bring me?
Discreet.